What's up, guys? I have just finished building out a new custom GPT that I've made called MetaMusic Flowmaker. And I created something really cool I wanted to share with you guys. So I've been trying to tweak this to get it to create beats for me. And first I tried by uploading MIDI files that I made in Pro Tools, and that wasn't working right. But now what I've done is I went and licensed some WAV files for specific sounds. And so, like for instance, I've got this boom bap sound pack with like loops and stuff like that. And so I'm gonna go in here like this is one that I already made, but I just want to make a fresh one for you guys, so you can watch it, kind of like live in action. So these are some, that's like a kick, it's a piano, that's a snare, and then here's a piano. Do some strings, violin. We'll put in like a drum loop to kind of use those sounds with the loop. And then now I'm going to ask it, create a full-length structured hip-hop beat with a hook and chorus structure. So now it's going to analyze the sounds that I've just uploaded and carry out the command that I've given it. All right. It says your full-length structured hip-hop beat is ready. Lets me know it's built at 85 beats per minute. Track includes 4 intro bars, 8 bars for the hook, 16-bar verse, 8-bar hook. Wow, it's got a bridge. And now, once I have this made with the wave, now I can get the stems for it if I want, and the MIDI. But let's see what it sounds like. See, now I want to tweak it a little bit. It's not a perfect beat, but it's a beat. Once you have the stems, you can tweak it around, but I mean, not bad. Here's some of the other ones that I made though. Like here's this one. This one's pretty sweet. I mean, not bad for just sticking some sounds into the AI. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments.